Side hustles that can make you money from anywhere in the world. Online tutoring. Teach English or other subjects online. Platforms, VIP Kid, Teachers Pay Teachers, and more. Earn $15 to $25 per hour. Freelance writing. Write articles, blog posts, or copy for clients. Platforms Upwork, Freelancer, and more. Earn $20 to $100 per article. Virtual assistant. Offer virtual support services like email management, scheduling, and data entry. Platforms Zirtual, Fancy Hands, and more. Earn $10 to $25 per hour. Online surveys. Participate in online surveys and focus groups. Platforms Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and more. Earn $5 to $50 per survey. Selling products online. Sell digital products, print-on-demand products, or drop-shipped goods. Platforms Etsy, eBay, Shopify, and more. Earn $10 to $100 per sale. Transcription services. Offer transcription services for podcasts, videos, and interviews. Platforms TranscribeMe, Rev.com, and more. Earn $20 to $50 per hour. Online marketing. Offer social media management, SEO services, and more. Platforms Upwork, Freelancer, and more. Earn $20 to $100 per hour. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services and earn a commission on sales. Platforms Amazon Associates, Commission Junction, and more. Earn $10 to $100 per sale. These side hustles offer flexibility and the opportunity to work from anywhere in the world. However, keep in mind that some may require specific skills or experience.